In this video, we review new Unified Application Management Deployment Status options in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise. Previously, we could view device status in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise by going to Deployment Status under Applications. Status gives us the option for compliant, error, pending, and running. With Nerdio Manager for Enterprise version 5.3, we have two new options for deployment status. We can filter by device status or action status. With action status, we can view deployments that have the status failed, pending, successful, or successful with warnings. That is the new deployment status option in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise version 5.3.